Sarasota proudly hosts a visually captivating art in the heart of the Rosemary District. The city's wall murals are hand-painted by talented artists with the stories to share with the community through their work. The murals are a powerful part of the community, and their messages inspire everyone who visits the impeccable place. If you're thinking of visiting sunny Sarasota, you won't want to miss this captivating neighborhood. The streets of Sarasota are unlike anything you've ever experienced. You are surrounded by art in various forms, and when soaking in the beauty of one of the Rosemary District's stunning murals, you're actively listening to a special message that's unique to you. Murals are a celebrated art form because of their ability to build a sense of community. Local artists are encouraged to tell a story through their work and resonate with other people. So allow me to show you some of the city's most notable murals. And when you're in the area, be on the lookout for these outstanding pieces. This mural by Matt Myers celebrates the centennial of the Chamber, which showcases beloved influencers in Sarasota's history. The artwork features Charles and John Ringling, Emma E. Booker, Owen Burns, and so many more. You'll be enthralled by the beauty of this mural and all the stories it tells.